How to import the class within the same directory or subdirectory? I have a directory that stores all the py files. I want to use classes from user.py and dir.py in main.py. How can I import these Python classes into main.py? Furthermore, how can I import class user if user.py is in a subdirectory?
Python 2. Make an empty file called _init_.py in the same directory as the files. That will signify to Python that it's okay to import from this directory. Then just do. The same holds true if the files are in a subdirectory. Put an _init_.py in the subdirectory as well, and then use regular import statements with dot notation. For each level of directory, you need to add to the import path. So if the directory was named classes, then you'd do this. Python 3. Same as previous, but prefix the module name with a dot if not using a subdirectory.
I just learned, thanks to Martino's comment, that, in order to import classes from files within the same directory, you would now write in Python 3.
From Python 3.3 upwards, _init_.py is no longer necessary. If the current directory of the console is the directory where the Python script is located, everything works fine with. However, this won't work if called from a different directory, which does not contain user.py. In that case, use. This works even if you want to import the whole file instead of just a class from there.
In your main.py, where class is the name of the class you want to import. If you want to call a method of class, you can call it using class.method. Note that there should be an empty _init_.py file in the same directory.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.